also known as an ear twist. And then you'll make a second one. You need to soften your balloon. In the center and twist. Then you have a face and 2 ears. About a 1.5 inch neck. Then you're going to make an arm, a hand, a 1.5 inch bubble, another small 1/2 inch, and then another 1.5. You're going to make his body. His back legs and his tail. On this one, this middle bubble will be like a walnut. Draw a line down the center and a few dashes through it. Make his paw. A face, and then you're going to take this little part, the knot, and tie it around his paw. And then you have a squirrel eating a walnut.